Hi guys, so I'm going to show you how to unlatch a DeWalt saw. So when you put it down, when you put it down, this is a safety feature. It locks. So I'm going to show you how to unlock it. So right here, we have this. So you're going to want to hold this down, and then pull this, which then unlocks it. And then to make it just normal again, you're going to want to push that in, and then it's back to normal. So and then when it gets put down again, you see that go in. That's the safety feature in action. So it's pretty cool. Bye guys.